How to use and edit templates in CapCut on PC or laptop. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Let me go at it through quick and easy and how you can use templates on CapCut PC. Well, as you can see on the screen, you might probably be having the same problem. You might have downloaded the CapCut application and now there is no any templates section at all. Now, how you can fix this issue? Now, this issue generally pops up if you have downloaded the CapCut from your Microsoft Store. Generally, if you have downloaded CapCut from Microsoft Store, then within that application, there is no any such feature of templates. To fix this issue, you can head into your browser, and on your browser, you want to head into CapCut.com. Then you want to log into your account and you'll find the template section on the left-hand side. Now, if you wish to download the application, you will have to download it from this website as well. You can see download for desktop. You want to proceed to download it and install it. You want to remove the version downloaded from your Microsoft Store and you'll be able to use these templates here, as you can see. So this is how you can easily use templates or edit on templates on CapCut PC or Windows. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.